Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of iPad 8. Actually, I have already unboxed it, but for you, I'll try to show you the contents which I get in my iPad 8. So this is the box. I bought it from Amazon, actually on discount of around 3,500 with the help of HDFC Bank. So this is the iPad 8 box. You can see here that the amount is 29,900, and I bought it for around 26,300 or 400 something. So I got around 4,000, around 3,500 discount. So this is 32 GB variant with iPad 8 generation, and it's Wi-Fi only. If you go on buying with 128 GB, so you may end up with buying or shelling a lot out of your pocket, around 50,000 I think, yeah. So starting with the unboxing. Okay, if I go to unbox this, let me unbox like this. So firstly, you see the magnificent iPad here. It's already on, so I can show you like this, yeah. So this is the iPad 8. It's a base variant of 32 GB and Wi-Fi only. So this is the, let me show you the specs out there. There's the specs. Okay, let's go to general. About, yeah, you can see that this is this iPad 8 generation, and it's Wi-Fi only, and my limited warranty for 1 year. It's get expired on 1 April of 22. So it also supports Apple Pencil, but only generation 1, not generation 2. So this shows that you can use Apple edition. It's not written over here that it supports Apple 1 or 2, but it supports Apple 1. I also bought this pencil with me, so I'll show you the unboxing in next video. So this is the Apple Pencil. It supports Touch ID and no you can say Face ID, and the screen is IPS LED backlit display, I think, yes. So this is the iPad, and you can see ample of, you know, options out there. So yes, it's quite worth for the students. You can say if you are a college going student, or you are a note taking person, taking for the office notes, so it's quite good for you, as I use this application, OneNote application, for taking notes. Okay. So you may use any application. There are a plethora of applications out there. So I personally use OneNote application. So a lot of games I have also downloaded here, and yes, Apple Music. This shows the Apple Music. So the color I got is it's gold color, and coming to the box, you get only this pamphlet, I think, and you get this a cable and a charger, and fortunately Apple provides big charger with this iPad. I think, oh sorry, I think it's around you can say 20-watt charger. You can see there. With the phone they provide 5-watt, but with the iPad it's 20-watt charger. So yes, quite good. So coming to the pamphlet, there's nothing much in the pamphlet. This is the iPad and as usual you get 2 stickers with this iPad. So yes, it's worth buy if you are a student and you don't take much photos or videos, and for basic purpose, for taking notes and for surfing the net, it's quite good. And if you take a lot of photos, you save a lot of photos, then you should end up with buying greater version, means greater memory versions of 128. It comes in two memory versions only, 32 GB and 128 GB. So guys, it depends entirely upon the person and their needs. Okay, so yes, this is what I want to share, my experience with my iPad. So okay guys, so I'll come up with the next video where I'll unbox my Apple Pencil Generation 1, which I also bought with this iPad. So take care guys, sayonara.